This Campus Portal tutorial will show you how to view and print your midterm and final grades. First, log into the Campus Portal. Then, in the upper left-hand corner, click on the Students tab. This will bring up a new left-hand menu. We're looking for Grade Report. Click once, and then click a second time to bring up the submenu. Click on Grade Report. Make sure that you've selected the term for which you would like to view grades. I'm hoping to view grades for spring 2016-2017. If I wanted to view the midterm grades, I would then click on View Midterm Grade Report. I'm hoping to see my final grades, so I'm going to click on View Final Grade Report. It will show me my course schedule, as well as the final grades that I received for this term. It shows the number of units attempted for each class, and depending on the grade, the number of units earned for the class. You can also see your cumulative totals for the term, as well as your cumulative totals for your entire time at NDNU up to that point. So I attempted 9 units for the term, and I earned 9 units for the term, with a term GPA of 3.42. Up to that point, I had attempted 22 units at NDNU and earned 19 units, with a cumulative GPA of 2.58. If you want to bring up a grade report that you can save or print, you can click on Custom Grade Report. You can also print your grade report by navigating to the print icon here in the upper right-hand part of the screen. If you have any questions about viewing and printing your midterm and final grade reports, please contact the Office of the Registrar at registrar@ndnu.edu.